Hi, my name is Hetal, and in this video, we are going to talk about the significance of primary goal and how to compare the other goals that we have created in a test campaign. So, once you open any of the running campaigns, it will bring you to the summary page. Here, you can see that something called as primary goal has been highlighted, which is given as G6 purchase made. G6 indicates the goal ID. And if you see, we have 8 goals created for the specific campaign. So let's understand what exactly do we mean by the specific primary goal. Under settings tab, you'll encounter one specific step while creating any of the testing campaigns, that is to create goals. Goals are nothing but metrics that you would like to measure in terms of capturing your visitors' behavior. So by default, the very first goal that you create will be selected as the primary goal, but you can hover over any of the other goals and switch it to be as a primary goal. You can have only one primary goal in a specific campaign. Now, since we are highlighting about this primary goal, it is important to select the primary goal while creating the campaign itself, because once you expect the winning variation to be declared, it will be declared based on this primary goal that we are trying to talk about. So it is not recommended to change the primary goal once you have started the test campaigns, which is going to lead in flushing the data, and it's going to be equivalent to starting a new test campaign. So be very careful while selecting your primary goal based on which you wish VWO to declare the winning variation. Apart from that, we see that we've created multiple other goals. So what is the purpose of these goals? It is that you still want to check the other metrics on the changes that you have made in your test campaigns. So you can compare these goals by selecting the goals that you wish to track, you wish to compare. So let's say I want to compare the people clicking on add to cart, then how many of them land on the cart page, and finally how many of them do the purchase. So you can view this information over here in terms of the specific table that is going to give you the details about each of the goals. So this way you will be able to compare the data and see how many of them actually are clicking on the cart CTA, how many of them land on the specific pages, and then finally how many purchases have been done. Apart from that, you will also find a graphical representation over here which is going to show you that the goals are being compared. So if you look at the specific goal 3, goal 4 and goal 6, you can see that goal 4 is performing better. So this way you get an analysis of how your visitors are behaving on your website. If you specifically want to check the data only for variation 1, then you can uncheck the control, and in the same way if you wish to check only for control, you can uncheck the variation 1. So these are the few features that we give you in terms of comparing your goals apart from just viewing the winning variation in terms of the primary goal. Thank you for watching this.